chili. Gotta get a little bit of the avocado, the guac, some of that spicy ranch on there. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? Okay, you guys, it's a very, very, very cold day in Georgia. Yes, very cold, almost like 13 degrees to be exact. That's a lot. That's a lot. Anyway, I thought it would be great if we had a big, yummy pot of plant-based chili using walnuts and a few of these yummy sweet potatoes from the garden. What do you guys think? I think that's a good idea. Okay, let's have chili. Let's go.
What? And it wasn't a slick thing, like he made
It was a thing.
gosh, look. Oh my goodness, look at our yummy chili. I cannot wait to take a bite of this yummy chili. Gotta get a little bit of the avocado, the guac, some of that spicy ranch on there. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Y'all see that? Okay, y'all. Let's do it now. Few of these items came out of the garden, but that's it, just a few. But let's eat together. Let's garden together. Let's grow together. Okay, there you guys. Oh, gotta get a little bit of that sweet potato though. Bye.
Hey you guys, I'm finished eating the chili, and I'm happy. Like, I feel like I don't even feel the cold anymore. I feel like I really feel complete, and hence the purpose of said chili. So go ahead and make it for your family. They will love it. I had it with the cornbread and all the things, but my kids, like my son, had it with tortilla chips, and he did put the chili on top of that, and then cheese, and then guac, so he had it like nachos. But anyway, you guys enjoy. It was amazing. It's perfect for a cold day or night. Anyway, bye.